Hello everyone! Start off by taking a partition of the hair from the top. Tie a rubber band to it, then divide the hair into two portions. Make two braids out of it. Roll the braids up and then divide the bottom portion of the hair into two parts. Taking one of the braids from the left side, include it into another braid. Make it as one of the sections. This is what it should look like. Repeat the same on the other side. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Then take a ribbon and then put it through the ponytail. Fold it before you put it into the ponytail and then, using the ribbon as a section, make a braid out of it. Tie a bow at the bottom once you are done. Make sure that it is neatly put. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a bun at the top. At the bottom, make multiple sections, tie multiple rubber bands, join it to the top. Make a ponytail at the top and then taking a bun stick, roll the hair upwards. Once you roll the hair upwards, tie it up and adjust the hair accordingly. You may add a decorative rubber band once you are done. Next, take a section from the front of the hair and then make a braid. Add a decorative ribbon with beads and then wrap it around this braid. Tie it up once you are done. Join the two at the back together. For our next hairdo, make 3 divisions at the bottom. Make them into ponytails, divide them and join them until they make one unit. Then, join them to the upper ponytail that there is. Add a hair twine into the ponytail and then twist it and then roll it up into a bun. Adjust it accordingly once you are done making the bun. Then, adjust the flower in any position that you may like. Start off by tying multiple rubber bands at the bottom and then join it to the ponytail at the top. Add a hair twine and then roll it up into a bun shape. Adjust the flower accordingly once you are done. This is what it should look like. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail at the back. Roll the hair in on itself and then braid the hair. Once you are done braiding the hair, roll it upwards. Tie it up using a decorative clip. Next, start off by tying a ponytail at the top and leave a small section of the hair at the bottom. Divide it into 2 portions, make 2 braids out of it. Take the ponytail and add a hair stick to it, roll the hair upwards and make a bun. Adjust the hair accordingly. Once you are done with this, you may add a decorative rubber band. This is what it should finally look like. Now for our next hairdo, take a section of the hair from the front. Tie a ponytail and make 3 braids out of it. Join the 2 braids at the back. Take another 2 braids from either side and join it at the back once more. Do the same with the last 2 braids. Add a decorative clip. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Take a comb, the back of the comb, and divide the hair into 2 portions. Taking the lower portion of the hair, divide it, and then add the upper portion through it. Tie a rubber band. Now repeat the step until you reach the bottom. This is what it should look like. Tie a rubber band to the base and then roll the hair in on itself. Tie it upwards. For our next hairdo, take a section from the front and make 2 braids out of it. Tie it at the back with a ponytail. Braid the bottom of the hair. Roll it upwards and then add a bow to it. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail at the top and make 2 braids at the bottom. Then take a hair stick and then roll the hair upwards. Roll it up into a bun shape. Adjust the bun accordingly. Then add a decorative rubber band once you are done. Next, start off by tying a ponytail and then add a rubber band to the base of it. Take a bun stick and then roll the hair in on it. Roll it up and then adjust the hair accordingly. Add a decorative rubber band or a clip once you are done. Take a section of the hair from the top and add a rubber band to it. Add a bow and then add 2 ribbons to it. Using the ribbons as one of the sections, make 2 braids out of it. Take the bottom of the hair, divide it into 2 parts and make 2 braids out of it using the braids from the top. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Put a ribbon through this ponytail. Using the 2 sections of the ribbon, add them into the braid, make 2 braids. Then twist them into a bun. Tie them up using the ends of the braid. This is what it should look like at the end. Make the ribbon look like a bow. For our next hairdo, section of the hair into 2 parts, the front and the back. Add multiple rubber bands at the back, braid the top, then roll up the upper braid. Add a decorative rubber band or a clip. Thank you for watching.